money can feel like a puzzle in your 20s. You're juggling your first real job, maybe some student loans, and the pressure to live your best life while everyone on social media seems to have it all figured out. But here's the truth. Most of us are making some big money mistakes early on, and they can haunt us later. The good news? You can fix them now and set yourself up for a future where you're not stressing about every bill. Let's dive into 5 common traps young people fall into with their cash and how to dodge them with some practical moves. First up, a lot of us spend like we're already rich. You get that first paycheck, and suddenly you're eyeing a new phone, fancy sneakers, or weekend brunches that cost more than your groceries. It's tempting to treat yourself, especially when you're finally earning your own money. Imagine Sarah, a 24-year-old graphic designer. She makes decent money, but spends half her paycheck on takeout and new clothes to keep up with her friends. By the end of the month, she's scraping by, wondering where her cash went. The fix is simple, but game-changing. Track your spending. Use a free app like Mint or just a notebook to see where your money's going. Set a small budget for fun stuff, like $50 a month for eating out, and stick to it. This way, you enjoy life without blowing your savings. Another trap is ignoring your credit score. You might think credit scores are for older folks buying houses, but they matter way sooner. A bad score can jack up your car loan rates or even stop you from renting an apartment. Take Jake, a 27-year-old who never checked his credit report. He missed a few credit card payments in college, and now he's stuck with high interest rates on his car loan. Checking your score is free on sites like Credit Karma, and it takes 5 minutes. If you've got a credit card, pay it off in full every month. Even one late payment can ding your score for years. Start small, use your card for a $20 grocery trip, and pay it off right away to build good habits. Then there's the mistake of not saving for emergencies. Life loves to throw curveballs. A car repair, a sudden job loss, or a medical bill can wipe you out if you're not ready. Picture Mia, a 22-year-old barista. Her laptop died, and she had to borrow $800 from her parents because she had no savings. Experts say you should aim for an emergency fund of at least $1,000 to start. It sounds like a lot, but even $20 a week adds up. Open a high-yield savings account online. They often give you better interest than regular banks. Automate a small transfer, like $10 every paycheck, so you don't even miss it. Over a year, that's $260 without trying. It's not sexy, but it's a lifesaver when your car breaks down. Another big one is pretending investing is for rich people. You don't need a suit or $1 million to start investing. Waiting too long means missing out on compound interest, which is like free money over time. Consider Alex, a 25-year-old teacher. He thinks investing is too complicated, so he keeps his extra cash in a checking account earning nothing. If he'd put $100 a month into a simple index fund at age 25, he could have over $100,000 by retirement, thanks to growth over decades. Start with apps like Acorns or Robinhood, where you can invest as little as $5. Pick a low-cost fund, like one tracking the S&P 500, and let it grow. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius. Just start small and stay consistent. Finally, a lot of us fall for lifestyle inflation. You get a raise or a better job, and suddenly you're upgrading your apartment, car, or vacations to match. It feels good, but it traps you in a cycle where you're always broke, no matter how much you earn. Take Emily, a 29-year-old marketing assistant. She got a promotion and immediately leased a pricier car, thinking she could afford it. Now her car payment eats up her extra income, and she's got no savings. The trick is to keep your core expenses, rent, food, transport, steady, even when you earn more. If you get a $200 raise, put half into savings or investments and use the rest for fun. This way, you're building wealth while still enjoying the moment. Fixing these mistakes doesn't mean giving up everything you love. It's about making small, smart choices now so you're not stressed about money later. Track your spending to avoid impulse buys. Check your credit score and pay bills on time. Start an emergency fund, even if it's just $10 a week. Dip your toes into investing with a few bucks and resist the urge to spend every raise. Your 20s are the perfect time to build habits that set you up for freedom down the road. You've got this. Just take it one step at